What brought me to Live Loud was I was experiencing a lot of pain, and I kind of just wanted to manage that pain and possibly even go through a natural labor or have my baby naturally. So I found Live Loud on Instagram and felt like it would be a really good, worthwhile experience, and possibly a worthwhile experience to come and see if I can get some knowledge and help with managing that pain and possibly understanding how I can go through labor naturally. Definitely. Okay. Some of the things that I received while at Live Loud was obviously the chiropractic care. Definitely helped with that lower back pain, and I also did get a couple of recommendations for some workouts as far as pelvic floor relaxation techniques and breathing techniques, so that really helped me along with my pain. Going into my first labor, as far as confidence goes, I felt like the chiropractic care definitely helped me feel like I can manage my pain a little bit and trust my body, and trust that it's going to do what it needs to do. So definitely helped, especially with just relaxing. So I believe that's where my confidence came from. My birth experience, well, I can say that my birth experience went pretty quickly. I went into labor really quickly. I was having contractions, but I was able to go throughout my day. I was able to go shopping, kind of breathe through the pain until it was finally time to go to the ER. I was already about 8 to 9 centimeters dilated. I did give in a little bit into fear. At the very end, the pain was, it's something else. So it definitely takes hold of you. But I felt like, we were gonna get her out quickly, and we did. And I wasn't in labor for as long as I thought I would be. So it was a good experience. Right after labor, I was not prepared for the changes my body was gonna undergo. I knew that it was gonna be, recovery, like a lengthy recovery, but I did not expect a lot of things like the swelling or anything like that, or I don't know, it felt very like I was in a foreign body. It just didn't feel like my body anymore. So it was different, completely different. It wasn't doing things it normally did before. So I was definitely not prepared for that. Well, what drew me to the program was just understanding what I can do during the healing process. I mean, how can I recover in a healthy and efficient way? I don't know if efficient is the right word to say, but I feel like it was postpartum is like a complete unknown, and I felt like with this guidance, then I would be able to have a little bit more knowledge as to what I should be doing, or like most women that I know automatically want to just jump back into exercising, and I feel like the program kind of shed a light that maybe we just need to take a little bit slow. So I really was yearning after that knowledge and understanding the recovery process more. This definitely helped me feel a lot more in control. There's so much information out there online, and sometimes it's really hard to sift through what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. I felt like it did help me gauge where I was in my healing process and how to understand if I was doing too much or if I could do a little bit more, as opposed to online that just gives you kind of generic information. So 5 months postpartum, I feel amazing, and I feel like I probably wouldn't be this far had I not done this program. I feel like I might have been a little bit lost, maybe a little bit misguided. Maybe, I might have overdone some things just to try and, hurry up and speed up the healing process. So definitely feeling good and feeling like the program was worthwhile, 100%. I feel like the mobility and strength has